Hey, what is up, guys? Kevin McMullen here. Just wanted to talk to some of you guys that are in the same boat I'm in, that live in Florida, with Hurricane Irma on its way. If you guys can, leave the state. If not, make sure you hunker down, make sure you have supplies, and you stay safe. That is the #1 priority. As far as what I'm doing, I'm not sure yet. I still have a full day to decide if we're going to leave or not, but we are ready to leave if need be. And we decided to take the remainder of today to go drive the Ferrari around and take some pictures, since, you know, if worst case scenario there's flooding, the car will be destroyed as well as our house. So figured we'd try and enjoy what's left of today, and I hope you guys stay safe out there and enjoy the video. Thank you. Stations left with gas. The lines aren't as bad as they were, but as you can see right now, the lines are still pretty long, and most of the gas stations are out of fuel. Here we are entering Wawa. They have caution tape up because they are 100% out of fuel. It's pretty crazy. This place has been out of fuel for at least, I think, 2 days. So this is pretty much what every gas station around here looks like, just completely empty, no fuel, and I think we've only seen 2 that were open, and they were small and they had lines on them, so they're going to run out of fuel shortly. And it's pretty much been like this for the last 2 or 3 days here in the Tampa Bay area. Alright, as you can see, Home Depot is closed, and they've moved pretty much everything inside. This is pretty much how all the stores are in the area right now. I think I only saw like a Domino's open, and they closed yesterday at 7. Me and my dad and my wife were over here getting 2,000 pounds of sand to help like fill up garbage bags, essentially, because they've ran out of regular sandbags. So I wanted to help my parents barricade their house because they're in evacuation zones. So, and they live on water. So for all of you out there that are you know, in Hurricane Irma's path, I hope you guys are able to either get out of here or get yourselves in a safe area and stay out of harm's way. I hope you guys the best, and if you don't mind, if you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get the word out there and help my channel grow, that'd be great. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Thank you, and have a good day.